Welcome to Brooklyn. We're here in Queens. Queens, looking at everything. We are in 61st Street, Woodside. That's the Leah. Leah Combs. So these stations, I wanted to show you this station because almost all the stations in Brooklyn and in Queens are underground. This one, which is in Queens and also in the Bronx, some of them are above the ground, above ground. Like the four goes above ground in the Bronx, and 7 goes above ground in Queens. It's basically like that. So it's like everything. But I was trying to wait to see if 7 would come, but it's not coming. Yeah, there's one over there. Back there. I don't know if how long it's gonna take. Anyway, there's not a lot of people here, and it's very good. There's a train coming. See the train coming? It's coming. It's coming. It looks like it's a local train. Yeah, it's 7. So you have in Queens, you have the 7, which is express and local. You also have in the Bronx the 6, which is express and local. Almost all the other trains are either or.
This is a Manhattan Fast 7 local train. The next stop is 52nd Street.
Oh, look at that. Uptown local. It's coming right up. I mean Queens local. Yeah, but it's going like uptown, but it's in Queens. I don't call it uptown or downtown.
There is a local 7 train to Flushing Main Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Please subscribe. Thank you very much.